Hello! In this video I'll show you how to open a RAR file on Windows 10. So let's go! Firstly, you need to install Windows RAR. Search for it using a search engine like Google, for example. Click on the first link. Click on Install Windows RAR. Click one more time. A page will open and a window will pop up for you to select where to keep the installation file. Click on Save. Once the download is finished, click on the installation file. You can change where to install the program clicking here, and after you choose the location, click Install. Then OK. At last, click on Done. Now a window pop up with the install location of Windows RAR. After that, here is an example of a .rar file. Click twice on the left button of the mouse, and then give a right click, select Extract for specified folder. Select the folder that you want, and that's it. For more useful tips on how to use Windows, check this playlist.